Khaled, maybe you have push support also.
Jungle bot active.
Okay, okay.
Ready?
They're not in the close camp yet. Delegates.
We got it.
Oh, there's a lot in there. Try to get
Yeah,
out.
just do not die, do not die, do not die.
Yeah, reloading myself here, fuck it. Almost back.
Okay, everybody get ready. We're gonna pop double damage in 3, 2, 1.
Healing all
Pop
the
it, pop it, pop it, pop it.
Oh, they very. Oh shit, you got a new.
Stonebreaker on tower.
Oh.
Keep as much as you can here. Keep the damage up on the tower. They're ulting.
I'm stunned.
Careful here. Do not greed too much. We're doing very good on tower damage, so play horse if you need to.
Yeah, nameless in this group, we forget to say it, but like, you were...
Aborja, I'm gonna ult on you. I'm gonna ult on Aborja and pulling towards the tower.
Zero. Zero, you're middle.
Looking,
Middle bulwark.
standing now.
Yeah,
Getting another from 12.
yeah. Give me nameless. Give me nameless.
Bro, this tank called Sujo. He's on my ass the whole game.
Push towards 12. Defense is
Yeah,
zero.
we have respawns.
Keep popping strats on the tower. Don't forget strats on the tower, guys. Just keep popping them. Don't wait for double damage.
We have help here from defense, so.
Yeah.
Just
I do
focus.
have double damage again now.
Focus the bulwark. It's getting very low.
Popping double damage, 3, 2, 1 now, if you have strats still.
AoE and full.
Almost back, almost gone.
Good. Mid.
Wait, mid is full health. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Do you go mid?
We're coming mid.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my god, what is this lag? What the?
Popping desperate search here.
I'm pulling on 6. I'm ulting on 6. Pulling them towards the tower.
We have desperate search, can PvP a bit, getting people from 12 on mid.
Yeah. I'm dropping Stonebreaker on 12. Yeah. Don't worry. Keep the damage up on towers, guys. They have immunity. Carry on 12. Disrupt on 12. Immunity is down. You can keep damaging. Carry on 6.
Deal ult on 6 and mid.
Disrupt on 6. Keep the strats up on tower. Get away from the tower if you can. Here, do not play so close to it. Especially nameless, you need to get away from the tower.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
I'm gonna bomb on 6. Everybody get ready in 3, 2, 1. Bomb on 6. Bomb. 6. Extend. It's huge.
Getting more from mid.
Kill. Full fucking damage.
Healing on his mid bulwark.
Yeah.
Jungle
Okay,
in
get
40
back to 12.
seconds.
Play on 12. Nameless play on 12. I'm dropping Stonebreaker on 6.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Deal ult on tower on mid.
Do you go jungle now?
Yeah, get ready for jungle. Wait a bit.
Go already.
Yeah,
I'm
we-
getting goose
we-
sides.
we
Go
fucked
jungle.
jungle.
jungle?
Bot jungle, bot jungle.
Yeah, after jungle, G3 stays middle, and we
have
go
two
Goose.
chickens on Goose side. Try and get them.
Yeah. I shocked him. Nice lead. Focus on the camps. Focus on the camps here.
Boss and
What
bot.
the? Yeah, boss
Boss.
is bot, yeah. Are we
We go boss, right?
Yeah. I got it. No, G3 goes boss. G3 goes boss.
They wiped, they wiped.
Okay, G1 goes boss. G2 go mid, go Goose. I got him getting ping ponged.
Can you use double damage on Goose?
Wait a bit. Wait a bit.
We boss, we boss.
Do not die. Do not die on Goose. G2, do not die on Goose. Play roofs if you have to. Just do not die there.
Yeah, they're coming here up for boss.
Yeah.
They do not have chicken.
They have one. Let me carry on.
Okay, they have one chicken.
Boss is almost dead.
Wait, never mind. What the fuck? Did I make it wrong?
Ult is Khalid if you can. Oh.
Shit.
Yeah, yes, let's go.
Nice, nice.
Sorry, shit, boys. Alright, let's get on Goose.
Area.
We go Goose now, right?
Low already.
Yeah, go Goose. Need to swap builds. Oh my god, bro, this bitch.
This is only me who can't use
I never fucking remount after PvE enemies. It's so retarded.
Yeah, same, I'm just running. Oh,
It's okay.
Healing about you?
No, I can't swap, I can't
I
swap.
couldn't mount, so didn't get
There's
it.
a boy now. It's healed mid. Healed mid on Goose.
Yeah, Goose has immunity. Yeah, everybody get ready for double boost damage after immunity here. Keep disrupting. I'm bombing here on left, bombing on left, extend on left, extend on left, extend on left. It's big, it's big, it's big, it's big. It's huge, bro. Extend this shit. Come on, where's the tanks? Come on. Lock the fuck in.
5 seconds, bro. Pulling now on left, pulling now on left.
Full bomb, full bomb, full bomb, full bomb. Okay, get out of here. Good damage, good damage. Spread, 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 fast, spread, fast, spread, fast.
You're back
Yellow
up.
ulti.
Yeah. I need to try.
Another healing ulti.
Get ready for double boost damage. All the nameless and strats, get ready for double boost damage in 3, 2, 1. Pump on Goose, pump on Goose. Pump on fucking Goose. Tanks, keep disrupting.
Heal ult on center.
Yeah, bombing left, bombing left, bombing left. Stormbreaker on center. Keep the damage up on Goose, guys, come on. Get out of center, get out of center. Spread, 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 spread. Here on left, healing ult on left, healing ult on left, drop healing ult on left.
Ulti left.
No.
Push it. Keep using horse and damage on the fucking Goose, come on.
Healing ult.
Get out of right, spread, spread, spread. Play on left, play on left, play on left.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Counter pulling Goose.
They have a billion people on the right here, get ready, I'm pulling.
Healing ult.
Bomb on right, bomb on right, bomb on right, bomb on
Heal on
right,
right.
bomb right, bomb right, bomb right, bomb right, come on. Running some
On the right.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
I'm putting Stormbreaker on the ult. Damage on the bomb, damage on the bomb here.
Oh, they're dying.
Okay, spread here. And keep the damage on the Goose, damage on the Goose. Get ready, wait, everybody. Let me come. Everybody get ready with strats.
Jungle in
Everybody
20
get ready with strats.
seconds.
All the strats get fucking ready. Give me healing ult on center, healing ult in center. We cannot die here.
Ulti center.
You're taking a lot.
In 10 seconds, Goose is center, Goose is center. Everybody look at Goose and get ready to drop strats.
Healing all center.
3, 2, 1. Strats on Goose, strats on Goose, strats on Goose. Come on.
Jungle as well.
Yeah, we're going after. We will sprint after the after we press escape.
I'm on the way already. I should be able to make it. I can try to block a chicken.
They're using a million horses, man. I fucking hate this map.
Goose bar stop.
What?
Goose bar HP.
Just 66%.
Hit escape and what jungle?
I'm still in combat, bro.
They have a chicken at both sides already, I think. Ah, never mind. Mid side they don't. Mid side they don't.
You're joking, bro. I could get inside the builds, but I cannot
Got
fucking
it.
squad.
Stunned.
Got it.
Nice.
shit,
Good
Goose.
job.
Alright, back on Goose as fast as possible.
Goose.
Killing ult center. A lot of them on center. Get ready for extend. Get ready for extend. Bomb on center. Bomb on center. Bomb. Everything you got here. Everything you fucking got. Look at this fucking damage. Keep going.
Standing.
Healing all center.
I don't know where the
Getting
tanks
to
are. bro.
right,
I don't know where the
getting
tanks
to
are, but
right.
you guys need to fucking extend the bombs. Come on.
Okay,
And blind it. When you pop. Can't insta reload.
Care on left. Spread on left. Disrupt on left. Disrupt on left.
The hell is a goose?
Goose is center.
On 3, goose is on 3.
they are spawned.
Towards the tree. Spread on right. Spread.
Ulti right side.
Yeah, good shit. They're bombing us. They're dropping killing ult on the bomb. Horses. Keep the damage up. Name is keep the fucking damage up on the boost. I'm gonna bomb.
Have a hero
Get
on right.
ready. Bombing on right. Bro, can I get a fucking name assault?
One
We
right
don't have
now,
a bubble.
one right now.
There's still no name assault, by the way. Full focus on the goose, full fucking PvE damage. Don't even look at the enemies here. Careful on right, on the left side. Careful on the left. They're coming for you now. They're coming for you.
Healing all center.
Ulti left.
I'm raising you ready. Goose is left. Left corner, guys. Goose is left corner. Dropping killing ult here. In
Bomb
corner.
left side.
We'll do this now.
I'm gonna bomb. Yeah. I'm gonna extending this. Extend more. Damage on goose now. Damage on goose. Full fucking damage on goose. Double damage as well. Double damage.
Yeah, it's going already.
Goes on 3.
I got you, Papa.
Healing all right.
These tanks.
Goes on 3.
Anti-heal.
Play safe. You have anti-heal. Goose is left side.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
We need jungle in a minute. If we don't.
Yeah. We need to kill this fucking
Ulti middle.
Come on. When is double damage, Khalid?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Double damage in 30 seconds. Get ready with the fucking strats and everything, guys.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Spread as much as you can. We cannot die here now. Healing ult center. Timer, Khalid.
15.
Almost dead.
It will be it.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Second ult goose. Just use double damage. Double damage and strats on goose. We need to kill here.
I popped it.
G3, you're going jungle.
Healing all mid.
They use protection, they use city protection. Play life here, play life on Goose, play life on Goose, G1. G2 and G3, you need to go jungle. Get ready, Khalid.
Sprinting now.
Yeah, I got you.
Stop. I cannot palm.
I did. Just do everything you can.
Alright.
Palm now if you have. Dropping killing ult from Khalid. G2 and G3, you need to go boss after. After jungle. Play life, G1, play full life.
They're coming back. Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry, be careful, be very fucking careful. Use everything you fucking have here, I'm gonna ult.
Yeah, they have 6 people on 3.
Yeah, I know.
Debuted now. It's running out though, I can be healed now.
Yo, careful,
Kill,
you're all
kill,
taking
kill,
a lot
kill.
of damage.
Restored boss, okay.
Good fucking shit. Good fucking shit.
Fuck, I interrupted palm.
Anyone can heal me?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I cannot, bro.
I'm trying. We're fighting against
Yeah.
people. I cannot keep you alive.
Yeah.
I'm dead, I think. Oh shit, bro, be careful with the rest.
Not me.
Yeah, all good.
Broja, if you can come back with me on my side.
Get away from the tree.
I'm free here.
Never stand on top of the tree, come on.
Caramba.
I'll res you.
Here. Arisa. Broja.
Okay. I'm going out here.
Debuted.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I'm belling and everything.
Palms.
I have
Alright.
Omega Bell, bro, of all time.
Yeah, they have 10 people on your
Full dead.
I cannot.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all tongues and dust.
Get
Interesting.
I get a root. They're going for yours now.
Yeah.
Play safe, group 1. Play safe. Okay, well, people are back now.
Okay, get ready.
Respawning.
Let's get back. I'm gonna try to drive Khalid, but I'll die for it, I think.
Bomb left side.
Yeah, sprint is up. Tell me if you have
Healing
good
all.
aim.
Yeah, I'm on it. Sprint, fast. Nice.
Yeah, I got palm.
Palm.
Yeah.
Good fucking shit. Okay, we got the quick sprint. Nice. Good shit.
Good driving.
Man. Look at left. Full disrupt on left. Play from right. Let's play from right. Everybody from the enemy is on the left side. All the tanks there just fucking ult. Bomb that shit. Full fucking damage from left.
Can search
Full
now.
fucking damage.
Being on left side.
Khalid, I'm gonna die. You need to drive and run me. Look on 6, I'm bombing on 6 and I'm bringing them closer towards the tree. Bomb on 3, on 6. Collapse on 12 now, full fucking push towards the 12. All the tanks push towards the 12, we have defense here with us. Blood, you coming? Okay. Bro.
Yeah, they are fucking destroyed.
I mean, we're good on 3, bro, but we're
Yeah.
struggling otherwise. Clean up the driver, they're almost dead here. Nice.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Look on 12, tanks get ready on 12. Oh shit, it's Arisa. Hello. Jungle in 50. Gonna need G2 and G3.
Next sprint will be 10:25, so if you could stay there to kill for me and then go
Jungle
quickly
in 40
out of the
seconds.
jungle would be perfect.
Get ready for
So yeah,
full
hold
bomb on
palms
top of the
now.
driver. Get ready for full bomb on top of the driver. On 12 actually, on 12, look on 12. They're fucking, I don't know why, they're not fucking pushing us. Like, what is this?
They got wiped.
Clean up everything. Okay, go.
Jungle in
we're
20
gonna go jungle
seconds.
in 10 seconds we're gonna go jungle. Just do as much damage as you can here. Nice fucking sprint.
Should we help them?
No. G2 if you go
I
jungle.
think the majority right, so just stay with 3.
Look on roofs, yeah, they're here, they're... Okay.
Okay, just I'm gonna palm here.
Stay on 3, stay on 3.
Break
Just
tree.
G1, stay on 3.
Palm.
Yeah, bro, I'm fucking stunned
Okay,
forever,
okay,
bro.
okay, palm.
I'm ulting this. No, I'm silenced, I'm silenced.
Stand heal.
I'm
Healing
dead.
ult if you got it.
I don't have
DB
my
ulted
Q
now. We have pumps on Hakumi.
Healing
I
ult.
got it. Full damage on driver, everything you got, everything you
Okay,
got.
it's running out. I can
Keep
heal
standing,
it now.
Kill ult.
That's...
I'm ulting here on top of 3, Bomb on 3, full
on
bomb
tree.
it.
Got it.
Bomb.
Let's go search
More.
Bomber on side.
Tanks on 12. Give me...
Ulted tree.
Yeah. Phoenix, stay on 12. All the other tanks go choke. Go below.
Show.
I'm ulting on 12, killing ult on 12.
Show. Gazelle BG.
Get ready to collapse, guys. We're gonna need to go over the fucking walls. Do not all go through the choke here.
They have a low healer in here, man.
Microphone activated.
Yeah. Alright, send it below.
Gonna palm.
Yeah, I'm belling. Oh no, I'm fucking stunned.
Okay, next palm, hold it please. We almost have next sprint.
We have sprints soon, everybody get ready. Full bomb
DB
on top
ulted.
of
Need palms on 3 now.
Bomb on driver.
Going past.
Good fucking damage.
I got you. Nice, great.
We're destroying them.
We are fucking right. They just body each other.
Yeah, I can see.
Their offense is coming. Need to match front of tree please.
Collapsing on you.
Yeah, get ready. Everybody get ready. Full spread, guys. Full fucking spread. Look on top of the roofs. If you're not doing anything, just hunt these people on top of the roofs until we need you.
We are playing lane screen.
They're just waiting on the roofs. For us.
It's fine, just
Be ready for guys. Listen, be fucking ready for them to jump down. I want tanks to preemptively ult for them jumping down, just to completely fuck them and don't give them any chance.
They invest TB ult on me. Anyone can palm.
This guy ulted on top of the fucking bullshit, bro. What even is it? Look on driver. Bomb on driver. Full bomb it. Send it.
Ulti on tree.
Damage on driver. All the tanks keep disrupt.
You have fan ult?
Yeah.
So DB ulted. No palms.
Send it. Spread.
Healing ult.
Oh fuck.
Look on 6. Get away from the tree, guys. Come on. Wait to fucking stack there.
Okay, I'm on it. Bro, I kept having like bugged execute prompts. Didn't let me get on tree.
All good. Tanks, full disrupt on 12. Look on 12.
Almost got sprint.
Everybody get ready for
Pumps and bells now.
In 3, 2, 1. Damage on driver.
Who's going? I don't know if they're invisible, but okay, no, it's 3.
Spread now.
Look behind the tree.
Play on 12. Tanks on 12. Damage on 12 as well. Full fucking damage.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Everything.
Trying to blind. On tree.
They're sprinting. They are sprinting.
Healing ult tree.
I fucking let them. Fuck it. Just kill them. I'm sprint.
Yeah.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Fuck this jungle, right? Just finish it.
Yeah, we just need to palm and carry.
Yeah, we're not going jungle. Fuck the jungle. Just carry this shit. I got you.
And then DB ulted on tree. Need palms.
Damage on driver. Damage on Khalid.
They might not be visible, but they're on me.
Jungle in 20
I
seconds.
can be healed now.
I got you. Maybe. Yeah, I got you. Okay, One more cleanup, guys. One more cleanup. Need full fucking damage on Khalid in 3,
They're bombing
2,
everyone.
1.
Debuted
Ready,
again.
spread.
Anyone has a palm for me?
I'm trying, but we fucking... a lot of them.
Wait,
a lot
no,
of
I'm
them
not.
here.
Alright.
Keep sending damage on the driver. Go, get inside the base. Nameless, get inside the base.
No, it's GG.
GG.
Oof. Oof.
Good shit, good shit.
Yo, Tashir, man. Bomba damage, man. Good job, man.
Thank you. We all